Before we start the video, I'd like to give a massive thanks to the sponsors of our video, wa.co.ke. Wa.co.ke is a website that lets you buy the best quality products in the easiest way possible. They deliver goods to all parts of the country and offer safe payment using M-Pesa mobile banking app. If you get into a mishap when ordering your goods, don't worry. They do offer 24/7 customer support when you need it. Go down in the description box to make your first purchase. Yeah, let's go straight into the video.
Hey, run it back. Hold up. What the oh my god.
Hold up!
Woo! She dig. Checking my name in the Google, but watch when I put on the pants. Watch how my flow is so swag. Watch how the rim. Watch how I'm beating y'all's ass. Watch how I'm coming up with the game. Watch how I walk where I do it. Money done swagger the moves and I feel like me jugger. I'm loving it like my bug.
Hey! This is take 2 because people are disturbing me in this house. Okay, so good morning guys and welcome back to another vlog. I've actually had to retake this, so don't mind that I've opened because people in this house are so annoying. So today we're going to be reviewing the Huawei Nova 7i. I've actually got this from my dad yesterday because he has a crappy phone. He has an Oppo F5. Yeah, pretty old. So I want him to join the Huawei gang because I do have a Huawei P30 and that's the one I'm using to record up here. And yeah, let's go straight into the video. Okay, I'm back. So let's start with the unboxing. And before we open that, let us check what it has come with. It comes with a guide, a phone case, which is actually pretty nice. Mine came with this, then I ended up trying to hydro dip it in candle wax, then I burnt it. And it also comes with the SIM card tray release pin. And yeah, that's all from that part. We have a Type-C charger. Actually, I am the only one with the Type-C. I used to be the only one with the Type-C charger in this house. And it's quite fun because people don't go around borrowing the charger. But now we have another member. It comes with a fast charger that says it will charge up to 70% in 30 minutes. Putting in mind this battery is 4,200 mAh. I have a fast charger and it isn't this big. It's huge. Okay, and that is it. No, we have something. We have earphones. Did mine? Yeah, mine came with earphones, but these ones look pretty nice. I don't use earphones because I do have a ear issue. My brother is like, I want this one. Okay, you'll have to talk to dad because the dog ate the other 2 earphones. So I think these are the only earphones in the house. Okay, now that's done, let's go into the phone. I like Huawei phones because of like everything looks so different. If you take a look at that, it has a quad camera. It has a 48 megapixel wide, an 8 megapixel ultra wide, a 2 megapixel macro, and a 2 megapixel depth camera. A 6.4 inch screen, and it's massive. It's massive. It has an 8GB RAM Kirin 810 with 128GB worth of storage, and it costs 29,000. Is it 30,000 or 29,000? 29,000.
Almost 30.
Actually it's 30. A side fingerprint, which happens to be the home button. So the phone weighs around 183 grams and it is 8.7 millimeters thick. Yeah, it has the Android 10 and EMUI version 10. That's the same thing I have on my P30. The selfie is a 16 megapixel wide, and the selfie shoots 30 frames per second in 1080p. So it came in 3 colors: midnight black, crush green, and sakura pink. I had actually ordered the crush green, but when I went to pick up the phone, they didn't have that in stock, so I took the midnight black. So let's boot up the phone. Huawei. I like the way that. Yes, I agree. Next, insert SIM card. Skip. Select a network. We are done. Look at that display. It's so much better than mine. Okay, so let's look at some of the features, like face recognition. That was quick. Watch. Done. Like, okay, I just want you to look. Boom. Done. That's quick. Okay, what else do we have around here? I like the gestures. Let me show you something. When you open the phone, right? Let's say you want to navigate. If I'm at music, when you slide up, it shuts it down. You want to go to recent, you just pull it there and hold. If you want to go back, let's say I was here, you just swipe the edges. That's so cool. Now, we cannot review a Huawei without checking out the camera. So let me take a photo, and yeah. Okay, people. Okay. I moved there a bit, but let me take a photo of this with the 64K. Look at that. It's so clear. Let me show you what I like about Huawei's. So you come here, go to more, then click on aperture, right? Then let me just take a photo of this Huawei, and look at that photo. Look. Whew. Like the bokeh effect is so crazy on Huawei, and it looks so good. I kinda like it. And also, let me try the slow-mo. 3, 2, 1, go. That is so crisp. I'm so tired. Today I've gone like 10, 20 kilometers, and this is the steep that I've climbed with this bike, and I still have a very long way to go. And I've tested the T7i a lot, and yeah, let's get back to the house so that I make my final verdict. Okay, so I am back at the house, and I do have the phone with me, and now I need to make my verdict. Should you buy it? Should you shortlist it? Or you should not buy it? If you have the money, just go ahead and buy it. It's so awesome. Like, it's just the best phone. And yeah, let us go and give this phone to its rightful owner right now. Funga. Unaweza ona? Sure.
Ni?
Sawa.
Nini mbaya?
Hakuna.
Nilikwambia tupeleke Karura ukakataa.
Nilikwambia punishment. Sawa. Tumekubaya kitu.
Okay.
Sawa, na nataka ujaribu kujua ni nini. Nini?
Umenibaya kitu? Wallet. Okay.
Fungua tu macho uangalie.
Sinaangalia.
But unaona?
Fungua macho.
Guess once.
Haina shida, fungua macho. Unasumbua. We, acha afungue macho.
You're spoiling. You have
sasa
3 guesses. Umesema wallet. What else?
The other thing could be a shot.
Na?
The third one?
That one could be what? Jackets.
Okay. Ngoja. Well, hizo vitu zote umesema lazima ni more expensive kuliko zote.
Okay, ni more expensive.
Acha ni hivyo.
German Shepherd.
Fungua.
Nice. What? Are you serious?
That was your phone all through. That's why we never took you to the shop.
Oh my goodness. Thank you guys. What? Wow, thank you guys. Thank you.
And we wanted to give you tukiwa Karura.
Oh, poleni. Oh, thank you guys. You know why I'm saying so? Because my phone has been hanging so much.
We know.
Uliona hii simu? Hii ni Oppo F5. Actually, the only reason unajua tulikuwa mom nilimwambia nataka kubuy hii simu for the review. So nikamwambia, I was to use my money. So nikamwambia instead acha tu nikupe juu. Si ulikuwa unataka phone zingine.